In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can easily install your driver here for your Canon printer. Okay, for the first of all, what we can do is that we go here into the search bar. Here we type in Canon and then, printer driver download. So, and then we get here to this, website. So, support consumer products. And here we can easily click on this. And yeah, here on this website, we can easily go down and here we can select our product. So now we have to look which printer we have. So here, look at the top of your printer or on the front of your printer. And there you see like the name of your printer. So I have like a Canon Pixma, and then I have TS 6358. So, and then I click on this here, and now here I have like the driver. So, and here I can easily click on driver, and now we have like here the TS 6300 series driver. And what we can do is that we go here on download, and here you see this driver provides all printing and scanning functions for your product. So this is the right thing we want to download, and click here on download now, on download again, and then here we can go here on the top, and then we can easily download this. So here click on this, and yeah, when we click on this here, we can close this. Now click on yes here at this moment. Okay, and now the installation begins. So click on next here, then select the place of residence, so like Asia, Europe, or something else, and then click on yes here, and then the installation begins. And now here we can select if we want to use the printer with Wi-Fi connection. So if you have connected it with Wi-Fi, then you can use this, or here you have to connect your printer with the USB cable. So I do this with Wi-Fi connection, and then click on next here. And now here we can do an automatic search, and now it is looking for the driver, for the printer in the internet here. So, and for this step, it is really important that you start the printer before. Now it has found here my printer, go on next, then, and okay. Okay, and after that, here we can click on complete, and now we have installed the driver. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.